Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I'm filming this right now in the middle of the night. So this means I kind of messed up with my challenge because I tried cooking 2 meals in one day. It took me so much longer. Also, I didn't know that this here, Baghrir. Baghrir. I cannot pronounce that. This amazingness. I'm so sad that I messed up, but yeah, anyways, I'm here to show you how I made this. I am so happy that I can do this because I love this so much. This I would eat like as a dessert with iftar, with honey or with butter. So if you want to know how I did this here, then stay tuned. I hope I can do this. I really hope so because I love this. So I'm going to tell you what you will need, and that is you need flour, you need some semolina powder. I find that a weird word. I just searched it up how you say that in English. Never heard of that, semolina. So that's what you need. Crystal sugar, baking powder, vanilla sugar, and this one, yeast powder. Let's do this. By the way, again, this book here is Life Goals. This is just going to save me in life to be, I don't know, something better as that I am right now. This book here is saving me, you know what I mean? It's saving me. So I watched her YouTube video also because I think she uploaded that actually today or yesterday. Oh my God, but this is my favorite. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to add 250 grams of this semolina. I don't know. I can't remember. 100 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 of these bags of baking powder. In here you will have 15 grams, so that makes it like 30 grams of baking powder. One bigger spoon of vanilla sugar. It smells so good. And then 1 spoon of this yeast. Now I'm going to mix all the powders together. I forgot the sugar. We also need 1 spoon of crystal sugar. Now I have 600 milliliters. Sorry, listen to this. Milliliters. Yeah, so just think that I was saying that. Okay, thank you, neighbors' dogs. I love you. Now I'm going to add half of this 600 milliliters. Now I can finally use my new tool. I'm going to mix everything until everything is all mixed together and all smooth. And now I'm going to add the rest of the water. I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to mix it a little bit longer until you're going to see all that air coming out, you know. That's the important thing with making this. And now I'm going to close it with this. And then put a towel on top of it, like this. Now you're going to leave this for 60 minutes to rise and to do its magic, you know. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that I'm a little bit nervous for the next part. By the way, this is for tomorrow's video, so don't mind this here. I'm nervous because I don't know if this one here is too small or too big. I don't want to mess this up. Oh, this is so scary. Let's see how we are doing here. I hope there are a lot of bubbles. Yeah, I can see a lot of, you see that? Oh, this smells so good. Here is a close-up how it's looking. This is good, I think. I hope so. Okay, okay. My heart is bouncing right now. I can't believe that I'm actually doing this. It looks like this. And I'm going to put it on, oh, okay. Yeah, this plate. Okay. Wow, I feel like a new person. Just a new person. Totally forgot to tell you that this pan, this one is anti-burn. If that's how you name that, I don't know. But you don't have to use butter in here. You can just use it on its own and it's not burning or sticking onto the plate, the pan, yeah. Oh my God, I'm starting to love cooking. I'm starting to love it. So I found out that you need to make sure you do not put too much of this mixture in here, because then below it will be baked enough and then the top will not be ready yet. Make sure to not put too much. I think it will also go faster if you do not put too much of the mixture. Because this one is just actually not good. I love the end result. I'm really proud that I can do this. I am so proud. I've been showing this to everyone, like my family in Morocco. I've been sending that to them, like, and to my father, because he's always telling me that I cannot cook. I showed him this and he said to me, "Ooh, Laila Khattar." So I'm proud. I'm very proud right now. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to turn on, to thumbs up and to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the rest of the cooking videos. If you're going to eat this today, then saha, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!